You're all welcome to this presentation, which addresses some of the toughest challenges to the continued existence of man. With the deployment of the right technologies, integrated solutions can be delivered to ensure sustainable cities for the future. Even in the deserts, the cry for sustainable living deserves to be heard. The preceding slides highlight the right technologies that would ensure the integration of desert lands on the sustainability map. The slides describe the technologies required to ensure a steady, safe supply of drinking water, the provision of a reliable source of electricity, and the provision of a sustainable waste management system. Our activities as humans alter both biotic and abiotic environment in many ways. Some studies claim that the Earth's natural resources are being used 25% faster than the planet can renew them. Measurement of crop yields, carbon dioxide emissions, and global warming potential suggest that mankind's ecological footprint is too big to be sustained. According to the UN projections on global population growth and economies, large-scale ecosystem collapse is likely by the middle of the century. To bring our world towards sustainability, we need to take different kinds of steps which require different kinds of knowledge, talent, skill, and work. In summary, we need to make things happen. There couldn't have been a better time to start implementing the long-conceived vision of a sustainable world. The deployment of cost-effective and eco-friendly technologies would significantly enhance the realization of sustainable city development. The supply of safe water is pertinent to realizing a sustainable world. This technology describes the production of steady supply of water for a sustainable city in the desert. It simply entails the production of water from nowhere and at the same time water from everywhere, the atmosphere. Atmospheric air is sucked in through filters to remove airborne particles. The humid airflow goes into a condensation unit where it condenses to liquid. The collected water is exposed to UV light for disinfection, where over 90% of all germs are killed. The disinfected water is pumped through 1 micron activated carbon filters and membrane filters respectively. This ensures the removal of over 90% of any volatile organic chemicals in the water and other bacteria and viruses. The water is then pumped and dosed with UV light a second time and stored in reservoir tanks for public consumption. This technology has been deployed on a commercial scale across the world, particularly in developing countries. It works in regions with at least 20% humidity, including the desert. Production capacity can be scaled to about 500,000 liters per hour, so as population increases, water production can be scaled up accordingly. Water produced from air also meets all international drinking water standards and healthy for consumption. The waste-to-energy approach is being recommended for effective waste management systems within the city and the generation of electricity for consumption. Electricity is proposed to be generated from municipal wastewater and organic waste in the city. The wastewater is treated using conventional treatment technologies, and the treated water recycled for non-potable uses. This would ensure the reduction in fresh water for non-potable needs. The generated sludge is anaerobically digested to produce biogas, which would drive microturbines to meet the domestic energy needs of the residents. Part of the generated electricity will supply the energy needs of the water production unit, while surplus energy will be sold to the national grid. The product of the anaerobically digested sludge can be used as manure. This would ensure a concurrent waste management system, since all organic waste will be used up for energy generation within the city. Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of this presentation, which emphasizes the right kind of technologies to ensure safe water supply, sustainable waste management, and electricity generation for a sustainable city in the desert. With this type of technologies in place, the world is sure heading for a green and sustainable future. Thank you.